Now we're looking at the case of Sushant Singh Rajput. They're only intensifying, and even as there are several angles that the CBI is now probing into, there's a new link that the CBI is now going to be exploring, which is a drug link that has emerged in Sushant Singh's death probe. It's now the most explosive one as yet. Narcotics department there, the Narcotics Control Bureau, has booked and is likely to summon Riya Chakravarti as well as her brother Shouvik, Samuel Miranda, Jaya Saha and Shruti Modi as well as Gaurav Arya. This comes after probe agencies retrieved deleted WhatsApp chats where Riya Chakravarti spoke to Jaya Saha, Shruti Modi and Gaurav Arya about purchase of consumption of drugs. Narcotics Department will also be probing suspected links with drug dealers and dealing with banned substances. And after CBI and Enforcement Directorate, now the Narcotics Department will tighten the noose around Riya Chakravarti as well. The department will also look into Riya's travels, parties organized, restaurants and hotels visited. In fact, the NCB will also examine the role of a Dubai-based drug dealer, Ayash Khan. The Narcotics Bureau is also making a list of all those peddlers who were in touch with Riya Chakravarti. Call data records of Riya, Shouvik, Jaya Saha will also be examined. In fact, the NCB will also scrutinize data of all rave parties held in Mumbai in the last 2 years.
One mysterious death, multiple suspects, and even more twists and turns. Abetment to suicide, money laundering, and now a sensational drug angle has exploded. The Sushant Singh Rajput death case has seen its biggest and the most massive development yet. India Today has exclusively accessed deleted WhatsApp chats of Riya Chakravarti from 2017, 2019 and 2020 that point at a drug link to Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend. Was Sushant drugged by Riya? In 2017, texting a man called Gaurav Arya, Riya asked if he had MD, a party drug commonly known as ecstasy. She also says that she's not done too many hard drugs so far. The 2019 deleted WhatsApp chat that has been retrieved by probe agencies between Riya and Jaya Saha, a talent manager, puts the actor under more suspicion. On November 25th, 2019, Jaya Saha told Riya, add 4 drops in coffee, tea or water and let him sip it. Give it 30-40 minutes to kick in. Jaya Saha has now been summoned by ED. Did Sushant Singh Rajput know he was given drugs? The January 2020 WhatsApp chat between Riya and Sushant's ex-manager, Shruti Modi, provides more details on the drug angle. In the chat, Riya explains how Sushant had a major breakdown and how she was trying to get Sushant to quit marijuana. But in April 2020, the conversation between Samuel Miranda, Sushant's house manager, and Riya Chakravarti proves that the consumption of drugs was definitely far from over. Samuel informed Riya that the stuff is over and that if they should get more from her brother, Shouvik Chakravarti's friend. India Today has accessed more explosive chats between Riya, Jaya Saha and Shruti Modi from November last year. In the chat, Jaya Saha says she's sending CBD oil to Waterstone. Waterstone was the resort where Sushant and Riya were staying for a few months. And that's not all. On May 1st this year, Samuel Miranda, Sushant's house manager, sought 17,000 rupees to source 2 bags of weed. The sensational drug angle has come up just weeks after Sushant's family claimed that he was overdosed by Riya.
Well, as far as the family is concerned, there was definitely some indication that he was being overdrugged, and that is what we have said in the FIR also. Now it looks like it is not prescription drug, it's a banned drug. And this revelation is very, very serious because now this will lead to Narcotics Control Bureau entering into this picture. And they will have to now investigate the back-end suppliers also and the consumers. So both sides, there will be a chain of people involved.
The Narcotics Control Bureau will now investigate the explosive drug angle in the Sushant Singh Rajput death mystery. The NCB has booked Riya Chakrabarti, her brother Shavik, Shruti Modi, Jaya Saha and Gaurav Arya. But the big question is, was Sushant aware that his girlfriend Riya and house manager Samuel Miranda were arranging drugs? Was Riya's brother the one sourcing drugs? Were Sushant Singh's drinks spiked? Was Sushant given drugs to compromise with his mental abilities? Questions that the probe agencies will now have to answer. Bureau Report, India Today.
Now watch 2020's most explosive interview with Riya Chakrabarti at 9 p.m. only on India Today. The first except for you will be at 9 a.m. So do watch out. Now moving on.
ये सवाल उठता है, इतने हफ्तों से आप इतनी चुप क्यों रही? क्या हुआ? कोई ऐसी हार्ड ड्राइव है सुशांत के घर में जिनको आपने डिलीट किया? ये सही है कि नहीं? Did Sushant pay for everything on all these trips?
Now let's quickly take a look at what is next for Riya Chakrabarti. Apart from the CBI summons, Riya is also likely to be summoned by the Narcotics Bureau. Riya Chakrabarti will be confronted with deleted WhatsApp chats where she discussed dealing and consumption of drugs as well. These chats were accessed by India Today. If found guilty, Riya could face imprisonment of up to 10 years. Riya Chakrabarti's travel and all parties that were organized by her will also be under scrutiny. In fact, Riya's visit to restaurants and hotels also currently under the NCB lens. Quickly cutting across to Pankaj Upadhyay for more details on that. Pankaj, take us through what we know of Riya Chakrabarti's drug link here. A lot of WhatsApp messages that are pointed out that she could have been consuming drugs or possibly even administering it to Sushant Singh Rajput. The narcotics department jumping in. What are they going to be probing here?
Nabila, first and foremost, the sensational the revelation as it may be, but I feel the most interesting aspect here is that the Mumbai police had conducted the preliminary investigation. After that, the Enforcement Directorate was looking into the financial angle. But all this while, this very angle did not come to light. This angle was completely unheard of. It's only after a week of the Central Bureau of Investigation coming down to Mumbai and then interrogating the prime witnesses that this drug angle has come out. And that's the reason why the opposition in Maharashtra is gunning for the government and asking whether the Mumbai police was fully aware of the drug angle but did not want this angle to come out, for they were trying to save a politician. Remember, this theory had been going on for a very long time, but there was no evidence to back it. And now the opposition has found yet again some fodder to gun the government and say, why is it that Mumbai police, which is considered to be the best in the world, was not able to get this angle out? Or if at all it was in the know-how of the Mumbai police, how is it that they did not share this piece of information? So this is also very, very shocking. But now that the CBI has found this new disclosure, of course, one thing is for certain. Even though if we were to see these WhatsApp messages in exclusivity, the fact remains that there seems to be at least a group around Riya Chakrabarti who knew the drug dealers ever since April 2017. But of course, whether Riya Chakrabarti herself was consuming the drugs, what all drugs was she consuming, if at all, we do not know, because such evidences have not been brought about or let out by the information on such details have not been let out by the ED or the CBI at this point of time. But of course, as we know that that the Narcotics Bureau has now taken cognizance of the entire angle. The team from Delhi will be coming down to Mumbai, and in all likelihood, Riya Chakrabarti will also be summoned. Yes, of course, the sources are also saying they will find out the truthfulness behind these WhatsApp messages. Under what circumstances were they written, what comes before these messages, what has happened after that, which is the group. But it does look like that Riya Chakrabarti, Shruti Modi, Samuel Miranda, Jaya Saha, and of course Neeraj, who's also given a statement in front of the Mumbai police, Dipesh Sawan, all these people are going to be questioned yet again, summoned by the NCB.
Right.
So today, as well, I believe that perhaps Siddharth Pithani and Neeraj could be called in yet again for interrogation, because
Absolutely.
this is a huge
Also,
revelation that has
no
been
doubt. Also,
found
we
out
have
by
a
the
lot
CBI.
more revelations coming in from Riya Chakravarti herself, as we have her explosive, exclusive interview at 9 p.m. today. Also, her first excerpt will be at 9 a.m.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.